is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Very proud of my friends. This is an incredible culture that I can say. Very, very proud of my friends.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the first time they've closed the mosque for the day. Is that true? First time they've closed it. That's in honor of the United States, I think.
Absolutely.
So, better than in honor of me. Let's give it to the country. But it's a great tribute. Thank you very much. Is everybody having a good time, Doug?
Yes, sir. Thank
There's
you.
plenty of good shots you're taking today.
Plenty, sir.
Thank you very much, Evan.